How to integrate Angular 4 with RESTful APIs, a practical guide. Integrating Angular 4 with RESTful APIs is vital for developers of modern web apps. RESTful APIs allow interaction with backend systems. They enable data exchange and CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations. Set up your Angular 4 project. To start, create a new Angular 4 project or use an existing one. Use the Angular CLI to create and serve the project. Install required dependencies. Angular 4 comes with HTTP client module as part of its core modules. Ensure it's available in your project. Import and configure HTTP client module. In Angular 4, import HTTP client module in your app's root module. This enables HTTP functions. Create a service for API interaction. Angular services let you wrap HTTP logic. You can reuse them in components. Use the service in a component. To demonstrate, we'll use the service in the root component. Open src/app/app.component.ts. Handle HTTP errors. Error handling is critical for a good user experience. Angular's HTTP client provides operators like catch error for managing errors. Conclusion. In conclusion, to integrate Angular 4 with RESTful APIs, use HTTP client module for efficient CRUD operations. Mastering this integration will make your Angular apps dynamic. They will then communicate with backend systems seamlessly.